Sana po out of fairness, sana po tinatanong din natin, bakit hindi po kasuhan sa Pilipinas? Lahat po ng testigo nandito, lahat ng ebidensya nandito po. Bakit po hindi ba kasuhan dito instead of trying to short circuit?
Sino po ang gusto niyong tanungin namin out of fairness kung bakit hindi dito sa Pilipinas ilitisin ang kaso? Sino po ang gusto niyong tanungin namin?
Ang gobyerno po, kasi po this is the people of the Philippines versus Bato.
Even the former Justice Secretary himself, Boying Remulla, who's now ombudsman, he himself said, hindi po kaya ng gobyerno. This is why the victims have gone to the ICC for justice. Hindi ho kaya dito.
Bakit po? Nung isang araw po, meron
Bakit
kaming
po
na-receive.
akong tatanungin?
Hindi, meron po kaming na-receive.
This is their own statement.
Yes, ma'am.
And precisely why there is an ICC.
Yes.
I don't know why you are framing it as a diminution of Philippine sovereignty.
We're not a part of the ICC,
we're talking of the international community here. Hindi
yes, we're not part of the ICC, ma'am. I beg you to understand. We're not part of their own statute anymore. We withdrew, and that was affirmed in the Pangilinan versus Cayetano case. With all due respect, ma'am.
Yes, but the crimes. May I say also, attorney, that the crimes indicated were before we withdrew from the Rome Statute.
It is not part of continued cooperation, no, to serve an ICC warrant. Kasi po, kung let's assume arguendo na nasa Rome Statute pa tayo, ma'am, ha? Let's assume, ha, meron pong proseso sa Article 58 saka sa Article 59 ng Rome Statute kung paano po mag-serve ng warrant. At katulad po ng lahat ng batas, di ba may batas mo, no? Kunyari RA, merong IRR, yung implementing rules. Sa ICC meron din po. Ma'am, sandali lang. This is very important, ma'am. Meron pong batas na Rome Statute, meron din pong regulations of the court. And in the regulations of the court, 31 number 3, nakalagay po doon kung paano mag-serve ng ICC warrant, which they did not follow. And the key phrase there is personal service. Kailangan po may personal service upon the accused, which they did not do. What did they do? They brandished it on social media and on media without serving us. Humingi po si Senator Cayetano, humingi po kami bilang legal counsel.
Because
out
po
of
your
deference
client, and I'm sorry we're running out of time, but I'd just like to point out, because he was running in the stairs and, even tripped. They were trying to serve the warrant on him.
No, they were not. They were not in possession of the warrant. Then they admitted that. In fact, Melvin Matibag said to Cayetano that we will give it to you, and then sabi niya, hindi, sa Tuesday na lang, and then next time na lang, and then next time na lang. They did not serve as a warrant, no? So,
but if we'll be arguing till tomorrow. But just
that's very important to concede.
What is important is why Senator Bato left the supposed protective custody of the Senate to go missing. Yun po yung issue. Ba't hindi po niya harapin?
No, serve as the warrant.
Yun yung tanong po. Yun yung, in the end, the most important question. He showed up to vote, to cast his vote for Senator Alan Peter Cayetano as president, who was behind our withdrawal from the Rome Statute. He was foreign secretary then, correct? And then to go missing after, it seems it's unbecoming, to say the least.
A little correction, it was the president, of course, President Duterte was the chief architect.
Pero
yung nag-withdraw. Ngayon, pagdating po
but
kay
we thank
Senator
you for
Bato,
your time. I'm sorry, we do, one final explanation na lang po, kung pwedeng maikli na lamang.
well, we are just waiting for the government authorities to serve us a personal service po nung warrant. And also, we
po
await...
kung wala na nga, missing na nga si Senator, paano isi-serve?
That is the purpose of the lawyers, ma'am. We are his legal counsel. Ma'am, I hope you don't ridicule us, ma'am. No, we're doing our best to be
I'm not. You're
earnest
saying
with
you want the government to personally serve, but
yes.
he ran away.
To us.
He ran away.
Abogado po kami. Abogado naman kami. Pwede naman po sa amin.